But if you over exceed in the next service, people are willing to pay higher. The 4 P's: pricings, presentation, meaning on the appointments, products, and pipelines. Let's talk about products, right? Just by creating 2 more additional programs or products, it could be from very similar information that you're already offering, but break it up into creating 2 new things, right? Your sales are going to double, because not everybody's going to be interested in this one option, whether it's a mastermind, a membership, or a masterclass, or even one-on-one coaching. I might not be interested in one-on-one coaching, but if you talk to me about a masterclass, or if you talk to me about a membership, that may intrigue me more. And maybe that's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah, and
right?
If you're probably thinking, well, my only thing that I do is one-on-one coaching. Well, guess what? Within one-on-one coaching, and this is probably, you have never heard of this, there's like 6 different products that you can pull from one-on-one coaching. You know, how many days in a month? There's 30. How many weeks in a month? There's 4, right? How many times are you willing to invest in that person? How long? What type of commitment are you willing to invest in other people so they can get to know you? If you believe wholeheartedly that your product, your service, your actual being there with that person will help them take to the next level, that's why you need to serve them best and actually have opportunities for them to get started with, regardless of where they are now.
And I know I had to go through my growing pains, because like I put my heart and soul into each direct message that I send out. I see somebody's profile and I'm like, oh my God, this is the dream client that I've been searching for the past 3 years. And then they never respond.
Website?
Oh my gosh, I was charging $200 to build a full out website that I poured like
hours and days.
And I would stress out. But the point is, it's like, when I realize that it's not about me, it's about that other person and how they're perceiving the value. Nobody will pay $200 if they knew it was $200. People pay for the value that it's actually going to bring to them.
Yeah. And sometimes the lower prices can actually turn somebody off. But if you're so convicted, because in your heart you know the value of it, you know how it's transformed your life, you know how it's transformed your clients' lives already, your conviction is actually what will sell that particular pricing. One of our students that actually joined the masterclass, she was actually a fitness coach, right? And she was averaging about, let's say, $2,000 to $4,000 per month with her clients.
Yeah.
And I asked her, like during our sessions in the masterclass, like, how many clients are you working with? She was working with like 30 clients, 40 clients per month, because she was charging very little. And I was like, well, that was one of the things we spoke of. She's like, I want to get to $10,000 per month first. Like, that's my first step that I want to get to. And so what I was sharing with her is, look, price is just made up. Literally, prices are not even real. They're just made up. It's really your belief in, do you believe that the price that you're putting is valued at that price? You are the one that has to believe it. And once I was saying, I was like, look, you need to create these different type of products that we created. One was like, okay, you're not going to lose those people because you can still have $100, $200 service, right? Or membership that you provide, but then also create one that's, let's say, $1,000 or $997. And then create one for those people that, like us, I was telling her, like, for instance, we wouldn't, if we're looking for our health and our training, what works for us at this moment in time, because it happened to us, we would not want to work with somebody that had a membership and put up videos. That's not what we wanted. That might be what other people wanted. But I was like, right now we just hired a trainer. We're investing $1,200 per month for the trainer. I and Isabel, we need right at this moment that more intimate, customized plan. So we're willing to invest that because we see it as a priority in our health. So I was making her see things differently because she was comparing herself to the other fitness coaches out there.
That's the number one thing, y'all. Stop comparing yourself, because half the time those other people that have the 100,000 followers, the 20 different likes, the 100 million followers, all these different things that they're promoting on the front end, on the back end, they're making zero. Like, we had maybe 3,000 followers at one point, and we were making tens and thousands of dollars per month. You know, it's not about what's on the front end. It's actually how you show up on the back end, where we really, really want to push forward. And not only that, but how it is that you present yourself. Because not only was she able to take her income from like 2,000, but y'all, she hit her first 10K mark, 10K a month just the other day.
Yeah, she messaged us, and it was because of the different offers and the prices that she had. And I asked her, you know, what do you think got you there? And she's like, understanding that I could, and that I could charge more, and that I deserved to charge more.